another London session. Yeah, live session. Yeah, let me get some audio here. Yep, I should do it. Alright, yeah, I'll be right back. Gotta make some coffee. One sec. Alright, and we're back. So let's do some one sec before we do some analysis, fresh analysis. Let me try share the stream. This is some fresh analysis here. Let's see here. Okay. All right. Why does it? Oh, okay. No, daily time frame. All right. On goal we have here. Market want to make new all-time highs again. All right. The daily time frame closed above yesterday. The 4 hour. I will be back into it to continue up. But as you can see here, we failed to close above these 4 hour highs here, right? So we could see like we had like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 4 hour candles. That's a lot of bullish momentum, right? So there is a chance that we could continue bearish for a little bit again, right? So we close above this 4 hour high, and then we came back into the range, right? Now we have a new 4 hour high here, right? Now could remove this one, keeping in mind that we close back, right? We're bearish right now on 4 hour. 1 hour, right? If you realize the daily resistance, past daily resistance, we've been weakened through it, right? Which is important to acknowledge, right? Now on the 1 hour, we're looking rather okay, right? So I'd say we're looking for sales below here, right? Based on the 1 hour time frame. For buys, however, excuse me, yeah. For buys, however, I'm thinking we can get some, based on the 30-minute here, we may be able to get like a couple, right? Because this is all-time high area over here, right? This is all-time highs area over here. So just to be careful, you don't want to take too much of impulse moves. We want good setups, right? So for buys, we could take buys above here. For sells, let's measure this range. This is equal range to the top, right? So we could possibly take sells under here, right? So keeping in mind, this is a daily resistance here, right? Previous daily resistance, so closed above. So because the current day is not over yet, so we're going to keep it up, right? So we see how price reacts to that area. Right, so for sales, yeah, so we could even target the daily zone for the sales there. Not a nice range, but not the best range. Still 33 to the next support. Based on the 15 as well, everything looks good. So I'm more interested in buys here, if I'm being honest. Let's go back to all-time highs. So buys above 29.38, and then we have sells below 29.31. Alright, so yeah, this is what I'm looking at here now. This is the targeted zone. sells. This entire thing here is so because we could come right on to fill this weeks there, right? And then most sales could take place below here, right? I think on the 15 is the same here. So most sales could take place down here. But for now, we're working with here. This is 4 highs. So it's Wednesday. I'm thinking to possibly hold and anticipate price to go to new all-time highs here. The only thing is we have, this is our next target. It's right here. It's like 3 pips, 2 pips away. Then we have 45. So our targets here would be $5 increments here, which are more or less psychological levels. Right, so these are the levels that could possibly target, maybe even more today. Right. So yeah, this is GJ. Let's just watch the live account for a moment. There we go. Right, so the account now is at 651. It is the entire history. Yesterday, as you can see, when we left the stream, we were at 551, I think. Alright. Yeah, we left the stream yesterday, I think that's what it was. This was at 561 or 558, 54. I think it was 554 because this last year was from I messed up the timing, right? So I was thinking was New York open. I'm 1 hour behind New York time, so it was after 8. I was pre New York, and I took the buys. You can see it here. One sec. Let me try to bring it up here. I didn't show it. I'm not showing the trades. There we go. Right. So remember we consolidated the entire time, right? And I was waiting for the breakouts. No, this was the trade here, right? My stops wasn't too what I should say, it could have been better, but price really came looking for it, right? So, and then I realized like the timing is bad, so we didn't get much momentum. So that was the first 30 minutes here. Then 30 minutes before New York opened, then we get the volume coming, right? Now I close so because I knew that, right, this was one position, this was the main position, and as you can see, my exit, right? So I had 3 positions here. My stops was underneath this candle here, right? And yeah, this was a trade. Like I had a risk like 30 bucks, which is a bit heavy, you know. But I believe in the trade. I believe in the trade. I've seen it happen so much times. So yeah. I just took it off at 40 pips, and this was the 3 entries I took. Right, so this first one was at the break of the previous high. This was the one. This was the one I gave the second chance. Right, and then if you look at where the entry is at, it's at the break of the previous high here. And then this one, the new candle. This was the initial. This is based on the 15-minute, right? And then this one is a break of the previous high. So you have multiple confirmations here, and I took entry based on that. Right, that's why I didn't have more entries on that. Right, yeah, and that was it. Easy, took it right up, and the price came right back down. I'm like, yeah, most likely would have gotten stopped out there. Right, so this was the trades, and this is what took me up to current. This loss here took this little buy here. So I was looking at these buys, right, and it was good, but I'm like, you know what, I'm up for the day, let me just chill. Right, it made those steps, so I just decided, you know what, let me just close, because if you notice here, I use a 3 cent lot. Right, I said let me just close it. I didn't want to risk too much. Then I took this trade here, and we got such a nice wick down. I'm like, okay, cool, we should continue. And yeah, it didn't play out. I was ready for this one though. Ready for this one. I was ready for this one. This one I was at SE open as well. I was ready for this one, but came up, stopped me out. Came up, came back down, stopped me out. Alright, cool. It is what it is. 12 pips. It is what it is. Yeah, so try not to lose too much. But yeah, this is the account right now. So far so good for the week. I actually put the account on my FX book. So yeah. Alright, so here we are. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do here. Alright, I'll be honest, GJ gave a nice little shot here, took for Asian session. Took it on the next account. This shot here was nice, some nice shots here. Alright, 26 pips, 9 pips stop loss, was good. But a bit risky because the candle had no top wick, right? But if you look at, was it there, 30 minutes, right? So we came up, we was making weak, we had weak bullish candles, right? Candles printing weak bullish, and then we came along and we broke the low. So now as we broke the first low, I'm like, okay, cool, we can continue down, right? Then we broke this low, which is the 1 hour low and the 30 low, right? It's a rejection, it's a weak rejection. So normally when there is volume in, that was Asian open. Normally when there's volume, yeah, most likely it's gonna, once it breaks the wick, it's gonna continue moving down, and that's what happened. It was happening like what, 15, 5, yeah, or 15 minutes, yeah, 1, 2, 3, yeah, 15 minutes. It was done. Yep. So but that was it. But besides that, there isn't anything on the yen pairs. Nothing, like nothing. I'm looking about sales underneath here. Ooh, CPI is about to happen. Let's see how. I never pay attention to pound CPI, but We didn't get nice closures here anyways. I would have liked to participate, but like right here, nah, it's not. It could come down to the 4-hour low here though. But don't see that. If we close underneath here, then I would have definitely taken it. Alright, let's do some fresh analysis on pound yen. Yeah, the ranges here are not, even if we anticipate news to push through the levels, it's still 30 pips, still not. I don't like it. Not for this account, at least. At least not for this account. Let's see. Yeah, euro yen not even looking good. I'm gonna leave it alone. Okay, so let's go on a daily. So we had a daily rejection here. Alright, previous daily was bullish closure. Then we have a support here. Alright, so we in a range right now, more or less on the daily time frame for pound yen. Alright, now the 4-hour is a mess as well. Holy shit! All I'm looking at right now is like underneath here we have sales, right? I'm just gonna mark off the clean ranges. This is what I'm seeing here for clean ranges here. Wow, this is not even close. Okay, based on the 1-hour, we have some nice ranges here, but we have a nice range here. So we have a 30 pip range here. Okay. Yeah, so we have a 30 pip range here, which is not bad. We have a next range right here. Right, so let's take a look at these ranges on the 30-minute time frame. Okay, so now we got a clear view of these ranges here. We can remove this daily since it's right here. This range is not even enough. This range is not even enough for me. Not even enough for me. Buys could probably go up to the week, right? Thing is, what I'm looking at here is, let's see how the 15 looks. Ooh, 15 is rough. 15 is rough. Okay, so these ranges are not that clean, right? But let's see, there is a chance we could get something. Let's see. Based on volume, anticipated way more volume than that though. It's the opener is like there isn't any volume. Euro yen, nothing changes on euro yen. I still looking for sales below 158.43 and buys above 159.23. That's it. There's nothing in the middle here. This is a 77 pip range, nothing. So yeah, nothing changes here. Analysis here, same analysis since Monday, I think. Yeah, same, more or less the same analysis since Monday. So we haven't done anything, you know. Look at that, going sideways on the 4. So when we do break out, just like Pong Yen, we're gonna have a nice breakout, right? So we're just yeah, waiting for gold. Waiting for gold. Oh, one sec. So something to be mindful of. Something to be mindful of here with gold, right? 1 hour close bullish. Right, have to remember that. The 1 hour close bullish. 30-minute was bearish, right? But what I'm looking at here is there is volume in the market, and if we break above this 1 hour candle, we could continue up. Is the range enough? It's 25 pip range. That's a 17 pip stop loss. What I will do here is I will wait for 15 closure, and I may take it based on the 15 closure. Right, I think that's the best. That's the better play. You could take it here, but 16 pip is not bad for stops. But I think we wait for a closure here because we closed bearish on the 30, which is our confirmation time frame. The 1 hour is bullish, but we need a proper confirmation, right? Our confirmation time frame. Notice the price just came and make a new bottom wick. If it comes back and break its high, we could really continue up. Just price action, right? You have to understand price action and formation of candles. Then you takes time as well. Takes time. Get used to it. Alright. So there we go. Yeah. Think I'll take an entry here. I broke the highs here. Take an entry here. stop loss below here, 24 pips, stops, TP, all the way up here maybe. Right. Have to keep in mind it's London Open, right? So like you anticipating volume when you see certain moves happen, you know, you're anticipating volume. So like right here we close above resistance on the 1 hour, nice solid um, bullish candle. We broke the previous low, right, but we respected the previous high. Notice that. So if we come and break it now at the London Open, we could more or less, you know, anticipate the move continuation. Right, and we shouldn't come back down here and break its own low, because it, as we saw, it came up, then it wicked back, made new lows, right, and then continue back up. So more or less like a liquidity wick type something. I wanted 5 minutes in my yeah, right. So you see, more than 5 minutes, it came up initially, came back down, made a lower wick, and then continued up. So based on that, you know, again, experience will teach you this, right? Well, what's this? What's this spread? Out of nowhere. What, what's this spread? So we more or less got an entry here. More or less targeting up here. Stops below here. Yeah, let's see. What's it here? 1 to 1 here. Let's see what it is now. And I saw some exposure stuff tonight earlier on. The industry is in shambles, man. It's in shambles. That's why I'm doing this as well. Like, you know, one of the reasons why I'm doing this. I mean, it helps me. Me doing this helps me to be disciplined and things like that. You know, like don't take stupid trades and you know. Yeah, let's see this 15 closure here. More or less, price shouldn't come back to this area here, right? This area here when the candle open, price shouldn't really come back there. I mean, anything could happen, but you know, it shouldn't come back in that area. This is becoming a very strong 15-minute candle. This is like a 30 pip, yeah, 30 pip candle already. It's Wednesday, so I'm thinking maybe I should hold it for a bit, because we may make all-time highs here. So this is a 15-minute. I would not have been able to enter this based on the 15-minute. Alright. this is why, this is what I anticipated would happen, because we're at London Open. So things like this happen, you know. We continue to push it while man I can't get an entry because we have no range here. But yeah. I mean, right now, yeah. Let's see what it does. I was considering closing at like 15 pips or something, but yeah. This is more or less like what, 2%? Like $5 is 1% of the account, so you know. Yeah, I'm sure it's gonna continue up though. I'm sure it's gonna continue up. That's how price moves. Every time it's at all-time highs. It's well, I'm respecting this 4 hour. This 4 hour. We have something here on the 5 minute as well. But I'm respecting this 4 hour. Trying to respect this 4 hour high here. It's something else. Yeah, this is playing too much, man. You see what it did there? It did the same thing again, right? It came and made a deeper low, and then it continued to break the high. I think if we come back up, move stops to break even on this. Maybe a break even trade. Actually, here's what I'll do. I'll secure half. Maybe more than half. More than half. Oh shit, did I secure? Ah, shit, I secured the wrong amount. Back. And secure 6. Close 5 of 8. Yeah. Alright. Stops to break even. Yeah. Alright. Secure 7 for the day. 6 for the day was 1% of the account. Alright, so let's see if we could continue moving up. Alright, that's it. Oh, there we go. That's it. Now if we close above here on the 30, then I could add another entry here to continue moving up to this level and then to 29.45. But let's see if things close without a top wick. It's not nice. Not nice at all. Okay, so we came up here. This is not bad here. We're looking at 2% for the day if I close here. Let's see. Where is the TP? How much is this? 7. Is this 2% roughly? Okay. Let it do its thing, man. Let it do its thing. I'm looking forward to. I'm really looking forward to tapping the 4 hour highs here. Oh, there we go. Did it? No. Didn't tap it here. Tap it. Trading view. Tapped it on trading view. Tapped on trading view. And this is where I might just close everything right there. Yeah. That's it. That's it. So this was one position. I just closed partial, so that's why it looks like this, right? Yeah. So that's a trade. This is a trade here, man. Done. 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 Easy stuff. What more do you want? What more do you want? 2% on the day. Gotta take what you get, man. More or less made back that loss from yesterday, man. That loss was stupid, man. This I haven't made back this one. I made this one back. Yeah, very good. If you close above here now on the 30, then all well. I may enter, may re-enter, but besides that, no reason for me to enter right now, man. And that most likely will be the only trade for this morning. Just got a notification. Oh, Raja took the same entry. Yep, that's the stuff, man. That's the stuff. That's the stuff. He's holding his because I mean we're at all-time highs. Like I said, like normally when it's at all-time highs, it it normally breaks through and like it goes wild. It goes wild like 50 pips or so. So sometimes it's good to hold it, but not me. I'm just trying to compound. And we had 4 highs. We had 4 highs. Despite we bullish, we had 4 highs. So I'm not into like holding it for all that time. Because we can easily come back into the range here for the rest of the session. And then for New York it could break out. So you just gotta be mindful, man. Just gotta be mindful. Yeah, it's a second dub on stream. I think, yeah. Yesterday we didn't get anything on stream. Monday we did. Yep, 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 yep. Yeah, not a bad day, not a bad day at all. I'm good with that with this for the day. Let's see what news we got later on. Okay, so CPI is gone. We got FM. Ooh, there's FOMC this evening. Okay, okay. Okay, this is this is something else. Should I come back here for FOMC? Nah, might check it out though. Might be on the charts. Might be on the charts. This means New York session will be a bit dead. Having FOMC, you need to get your best setups. Only take the best setups during New York, because FOMC after lunch, market will be moving very shitty before that. So be careful. Anyone taking trades on New York session, be very careful. Might get a lot of fake outs. Right? Try not to hold trades, scalp, do the quick scalps, yeah. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. It broke. Now we're about to enter all-time highs territory. So I will take an entry based on the break of the high. Yep. It's looking good. It's looking good. The close above the range. I need a close above the range. I still use the same lot size. I'm up for the day and same session. Still here. Still trying to catch some buys. So stops will more or less be, I hope I could get a wick down. Stops will more or less be, stops shouldn't be that bad. Where's the profits? Profits and some to continue up. Yeah, hopefully we could get some. Let's see. Man. Oh yeah, so let's see how we close here. If we close without no wick at the top, and we just break the high, not entering. I want to see us wick down, especially with a closure like that. I want to see us wick down. I need a wick down. We need to wick down. If we don't get that wick down, this is all-time highs over there. Right, wick down. We need to go down a little bit more, man. Come on, man. Great. So we need a wick down. We need a retest of this zone. We need a retest of this zone, more or less. It's a retest of the zone. And then we could. Has it been a minute yet? Yeah, it's been a minute. Ooh, that is a big retest. Okay, let's go. Alright, that's what I wanted. So we wanted buys on the break of the high. What we'll do here is move stops to break even as soon as we hit all-time highs, because this shit goes crazy at times, yeah. The risk here is not even much, actually. It's 7 pips, which is ideal, very ideal. A lot of people are gonna take this trade based on Raja students. All Raja students are gonna be taking this trade. All of Raja's students going to be taking this trade. I guarantee you. Oh, let me show it on stream. Yeah, all Raja students are going to be taking this trade. I mean, in my defense, I was in it already, right? So I'm risking just some here. So why not? Oh wow, what the hell was that? He just grabbed my entry though. What the hell? Man, okay, cool. It just grabbed my entry. Not what I wanted to happen, because we didn't get a clean break. But okay, there we go. Alright, so once we feel the wicks here to the left, see all-time high movements, man. That's some crazy shit. I beg you stop those here though. I beg you stop those here. All-time high movements be crazy, man. Hopefully not. Hopefully we don't get stopped out here. I want to be mindful of when it hits on trading view. Not really on my broker. Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah, it's almost there. Oh, there we go. Alright, so we're up like 2 pips. It's like, it seems like a lot already, man. Yeah, I don't want to see it come back. Yeah, I want to see it come back. I may close here if it flips. I don't want to see it come back. It should keep pushing. It should keep pushing, right? Again, it's long and open. Volume is there. Like, should keep pushing. Should definitely keep pushing. Plug it up here. Yeah, I don't want to see it flip, man. What is this? Oh, this shit is moving so crazy. Yeah. Yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. Got stopped out here. It is what it is. Ooh. Yeah. Well, up more or less 1% still. Yeah. It's gonna rebreak it and fly though. It's gonna rebreak it and fly though, I can tell you that. That's still 15 pips. That's still a good stop. A good stop loss. Let's see. Ooh. Probably the 15-minute would have been a better stop actually. I didn't watch it. Yeah, 15-minute. Yeah. Once it rebreaks the highs, it's going just like what happened on the previous trade. Once it rebreaks the highs, it's more or less gonna continue up. Alright. So let's lower the risk. Let's lower the risk. Yeah. Again, might seem like I'm taking too many trades, but still one trade. Well, second trade. Now we'll have to, yeah. Once we hit this zone, yeah, stops to be stops to the entry. Actually, open candle open. You'll be right here. So three, right? So still risk management, right? Still risk management, man. I really would like to get it up to up here. I'd like to see it go up there. Really would like to see it go up there. Okay, yeah, so we're breaking all-time highs here. Yeah, we're breaking all-time highs here. He's gonna play around, but yeah. Okay, so we officially made all-time highs. Bro, we shouldn't come back in this range. So basically, the stops move here because we shouldn't come back. The candle shouldn't flip at this point. Like we took liquidity twice on the way up here. Look at it here. Look at this 5-minute closure. Like, come on. Now once we come back and break these highs here, it should be Gucci. Should be really Gucci. That was the stop loss under here. Right, underneath the liquidity candle, which is like probably should be kept there until we reach our take profit level, if I'm being honest. But yeah, should continue halfway into the move though. Yeah, should continue halfway. So let me just put this here. actually I'm gonna use it from here. That's a appropriate place to use it from. Use it from the entry. So this will be my take profit here. Will be my TP zone. Right here. Ooh, look at that 5 minute man. So we're looking to flip, right? Yeah. Let me close this. I may close this. Makes no sense. Makes no sense. Alright, so break even today. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Like I said, I know how it reacts, and yeah, New York most likely gonna make the all-time highs. I maybe wait for FOMC later on, but yeah, who knows? Maybe we get a rejection here to continue back. So for example, if this 15-minute closes bearish, right, then next 30 breaks the low, continue down, so the 30 would close bearish back in the range. Then next 15-minute closes bullish, and then the next 15-minute, which is the end of the next 30-minute, closes bearish. Then we could get some sales come back into the range, which I would be down for. That's what I kind of looking for now at this moment. Alright, so I'm gonna freshen up the charts. Again, I should have been mindful of this. This is a key zone. This is a key zone. 2940. That's why he rejected last time, right? Yeah. Got this. Yeah, 2940. That's it only. That's it. Again, $5 increments, right? That's what he rejected last time. So he rejected it again. And that was during London session. Yeah. So most of the time it makes the all-time highs. In London session it doesn't go that far. In New York session, we have FOMC later on, so most likely it's because of that. Most likely. I may take a trade during New York though, like early New York based on the setup. Early New York, preferably before SE open. Preferably before SE open. Yeah. So this is how we stand at the moment. Right, for the day. Just so that this is very much feasible. This may help. This is how we stand at the moment. Right? Yeah. So did I take a trade for? Oh, I didn't. Right? I didn't take no trade for Asia. Right. So this is how I actually stand for the day. Right. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Yeah. I'll be here for our next won't close the stream as yet. It's only been an hour. We have a chance of getting something next. Okay, so you see, so the 15 close bearish. If his next 15 close is bullish, then the next 30 close, so it will still close down bearish, but weak bearish. The next 30 close full bearish, closing below the support of the 15 minute, then I'll take a sell. Might seem risky, but as we're at all-time highs, so you see, come down, we're gonna create more or less. If it closes here bullish, then we could get a support here. The next 50 minutes close below and come back down, then take it into these wicks here, and this would be the target area for the sells. This will be the target area for this. Wait, no, the hell, this is 17. Why is the range so short? We have to target the lows. Yeah, okay, yeah, good target here. See this? 1 hour is rejecting the high. If the 1 hour closes below again, it's a confluence, right? Confluences. So let's see what it does. Last time it made an all-time high. Oh shit, the all-time high is over here. What the hell? It was on Monday? It was on Monday. Last week Monday. But these are all-time highs. Oh god damn it. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Man, white graph. Should have marked this out. Should have had this marked out. Because then I would not have taken that trade here. Because I'm thinking it's all-time highs. Okay. It is what it is. It is what it is. Okay. So this is all-time highs here. Okay. Okay. So close below here on the 30 would be, on the 1 hour would be nice. I'm going to continue in this range. So the targeting zone here. It needs to make sense though. So let's see. It needs to make sense. Let's start doing some shots. Let's check the other pair. Let's see what's up. Ooh. Okay. Euro dollar is euro yen is ready to move, man. I'm all for that. I'm all for that. I am all for that. I am all for that. Okay. Cool, right here would be nice. Shots on euro yen. Yeah, I'll leave cool alone if that's the case. I'll leave cool alone. Yeah. Break these wicks here. Very important. These wicks here. We have 17 pips. The next rejection, main target is 40 pips. This could work. This could work. This could work. This could work. Yeah, leave gold alone for now. We need gold to give some price action, information on price action. Pound yen. Here you have a smaller range. Euro yen is looking a bit better here. Really good here, actually, like really good. We close under here. My stops could be right here, right above the body. What the hell? Just got an error. Wait. One sec. Let me see something here. What is this? Ooh. Wow. Okay, there is something going on. Here it is, PC. Yeah. Not sure what it is. I don't know if it's one of my drives or some shit. I don't know. Something needs to be checked. Yeah. My game drive is not games and storage and stuff. It's not being detected. Okay, let's just get a nice closure here. Take some euro yen sells. Well, there it is. These are some sexy sells here, man. This could be some sexy sells here. Okay, so see what happened on gold. This is nice. 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 Yeah, we could close a week. Excuse me. Yeah. 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 I'm gonna be taking. I'm gonna be taking sells here on this next account as well. Let's see. Washes. Yeah, I'll take a. Okay. 3 minutes. 1 euro yen. Here's a close below here. And the 4 is all the way down here. If you notice, right? Sells, step, buys, 1 up. Sells, right? And pattern. Like you just like, yeah. That's why I'm focusing here. Like I'm being very not gonna try to gain a whole lot. But buys been these strong buys here are something else. So I'm gonna be mindful of that. Those wicks there are the daily lows as well. So it'll be awesome. Alright, awesome. Yep. Always keep measuring stop losses. Always measure stop loss. Possible stops, range, targets. Always measure. Hopefully it doesn't fly without me. Go close below here, I stand a better chance of getting an entry here. Add some drop frames. 0.1%. Was it the drive that caused that? Makes sense. Maybe the drive that caused that. Does it show here? Stream held. That is good. Okay. Let's see here. I may just take this. Oh, nah, man. This is not good enough. I was considering taking these buys here from. Okay. Let's see what we get here for euro yen. Alright, good, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good, but I don't like I wish we had a steeper pullback though, if I'm being honest. The reason why I put my entry below here, because we may get a steeper pullback. I don't want to put it. If we get an entanglement here, then my stop's coming right here easily. But would prefer. Okay, well, I would have preferred if we get a deeper pullback. So my stop is going to stay somewhere here. Is 1 hour? Yeah, probably 1 hour body. Alright, TP is somewhere down here for 40 pips. So yeah. Alright, for some euro yen trade on stream, yeah. Was euro yen trade on stream. Alright, yeah. Once we hit this area, yeah, weak rejection area. It's important. Wicks are very important. So I was looking at this from the 1 hour perspective. It's a nice close, right? We got a liquidity wick here, and we continue down. And 30, we have a nice, like it prints the picture for us. The sales, how heavy the sales are strong here. Show you how heavy the sales are in. And yeah, we should continue into 158. Should continue to 158 here. I'm gonna let this is one of the trades I'm more or less gonna let run. This is one of those trades I'm more or less let it run. Actually forgot to take it on the other account. So we closed above here on the 1. Okay, so you see it's 30 minutes. If it closes like this, more or less take it. Again, I take trades as long as I see my setup, man. This trade here, I'll be mindful of it coming back and break its own high now. It shouldn't. I can manage risk like that. I can manage risk if it comes back up here. But it shouldn't. It shouldn't. Yeah. If this trade play out, might be my last. More confident in this trade than the second gold trade. Way more confident in this one. Oh, there is the flip. Nice. So what I'm looking for here is close below here on the 15. Right? On one of the 15s, close below there, which will be either the 15 or the 30, close below here, continue down. Really weak. Right, and then continue moving down into the range. Yeah. But yeah, be difficult because we want to close above the range. I feel half of the week already, so possibly it could come back. Just like here, feel the week and let's drop, right? Yeah, so that's what I'm looking at. Let's see. It's not be a slow trade. Ah, damn it. actually. Yeah, I'm gonna manage risk on this trade, but oh shit, it had that move. I'm gonna manage, not sure, but remember. I was about to put back an entry right here. Put an entry here for 3 pips. If you break the high, it's five. It's $5 loss. And then here that's 13. Yeah, it would be like 13 in all compared to how is it now. It's 21. All right, so, like I shouldn't break the high. Should not come back and break this high. So I was gonna take a sell right there, and once it pushes down, it's a bigger game. But let's see if it comes back. It comes back up there. This is a stressful day so far. Ooh, wow! The spread on this shit is insane. All we could do here is just wait. I have my I have the penny order here. I'm on the stops above the wick. Alright, so all we could do here is just wait. It comes back up for a second retest of this week's over here. Let me just show you. The idea here is that it possibly come back, right, in this week's here, and not flip, but you know, come back in and then continue to drop. Right? But he did it already. I guess that's why it wanna drop now. We'll see. It's really and truly should continue though. Kinda why I don't wanna move my stop, but I need to protect my downside. I need to protect me to manage risk. This is a 2 hour trade. Well, right now it's going to be a 6 hour trade, but yeah. Spread just widen to 1 pip, 0.9, 0.8. I wonder why it 0.7. Just keep fluctuating widely. Seems like the next entry might get tagged in here. It's 4 minutes left. 5:15 to close. we may get a liquidity week here. Wow, it's back to 0.1 pip. That's insane. That's tight as shit. Watching this script. So we may get tagged in here. Left for the 15 minutes. Okay, so alright, so we got tagged in here, right? The idea here is that we shouldn't flip, right? We shouldn't flip bullish, right? So total risk is 15, right? 15 bucks. Initially it was 21, right? So notice how we come back here and then we pushed away a little bit. So that's what I'm anticipating. That's why I took the trade. Like I put the extra entry. Because normally what I would have done initially was to put an entry here and then put my stop right above the wick, the current candle wick. But because it happened so fast, I'm like, that's why I waited for it to break these wicks over here. Right? And I was like, okay, cool, we should continue down if we break these wicks. Right? Just like on gold, what happened on gold? I remember what happened on gold was we broke these wicks over here, right? And we continued up. The more or less same concept, right? Yeah. So now we're flipping, right? So if we get stop loss, we get stop loss, but that's the idea. And I'm not gonna pass on my setups, right? It's a good setup, good play, but it is what it is. It seems like. Yeah, wow, what the hell, man? This spreads. Yeah, it's out already. I mean, come on. Yeah, it's out. Okay. Yeah, a little disappointment here on Euro. Yeah, it is what it is. I'll leave this here like this. I'll leave this like this. 15 minutes just closed. Cold. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. I was just about to enter this shit, bro. Oh, yeah, I was just about to enter this. Actually, yeah, I was just about to enter this. I don't think you're gonna come back. So this is what happens at all time highs, right? If you notice, we close above and I didn't realize we had that closure here. Yeah, I missed it. I missed it. I missed it. Man, I was focusing on freaking palm yen. This was a trade here, man. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah, we missed a big one. Oh, shit. Oh, man. I just caught it. I just caught it, man. Shit. Oh, yeah, I'm salty. I'm salty right now, man. Shit. I'm salty. Fuck. Yeah. We missed it, man. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. We missed it. Yeah. This will be TP here, by the way. Alright, so this would have been, yeah, 25, yeah, 25 pips, yeah, 30 pips, yeah, that would have been TP. This is the alternator, so that would have been TP more or less. Yeah, this was a base setup, man. This is the same setup I got yesterday for New York. Right, if we come back here, New York, got it here, right there. This is the same setup here, and this happened at, yeah, same setup here, same setup. Close above the range, right? Close above the range, made a downward bottom, like, yeah, weak bearish candle closer, break above the highs, continue up. Simple. And this might just do the same thing and reject as well. But yeah, man. Yeah, I'm a bit salty though. Shit. I'm a bit salty. I'm a bit salty. Yeah, I'm a bit salty. I was just about to enter the shit, man. This shit just, ugh. Yeah, that would have been some nice gains there. For the day, yeah. Would have been nice. Yeah, now I'm more or less done for gold for the day. It's not worth trading. It's not worth trading. Gotta give me something really good. Yeah, it's not worth trading. If you're in, you're in. Right now. If you're in, you're in. Man, it's gone. It's gone, man. It's gone. It's gone. Yeah, low key kind of pissed. Yeah, I missed it because I was preparing for it. I saw it, you know. Just yeah. I think I'm gonna end the stream now, man. Um, yeah, I'm gonna end the stream. There's nothing else taking place. Um, no, maybe Euro yet, maybe, but give it a second chance. Yeah, give it a second chance, and yeah, that's it for cool at least. So take care, everyone. Um, and we'll be back tomorrow. Yeah, have a good one. Oh, let me just. At the moment, we're at. This is where we stand right now. Balance 636. Yeah. So today, down like 3%, $15. Yeah. Look at a couple of L's. Is what it is, but we still manage risk. Yeah. Notice the pip counts. Yeah. 5 pip, 8 pips, 6 pips, 2 pips. Yeah. Notice that wins are like 12 pip, 10 pip, 10. You know. But this is just one position here, so that's the difference. This is one position. It's really like 20 pips, but that's one position. All right. See you all until next time.